Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to make iced latte. I'll be using a Nespresso machine, but if you don't have one, the key is to have a really strong shot of coffee to mix with your ice and milk. So let's get started.
You will need a strong shot of coffee, milk, ice, sugar or syrup. If you're using a Nespresso machine, put in your pod, and when your machine is ready, press the espresso button. I'm adding a teaspoon of sugar into the shot of coffee so it has a chance to dissolve. If you're using syrup, you can add this directly into the milk. Add some ice and some milk into a tall glass. Stir the coffee to make sure there's no sugar left at the bottom before you pour into the milk. Give your latte a final stir. And now we're done.
I hope this will cool you down in the summer, and if you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe, like and turn on your notifications, and I'll see you next time. Bye!